This is a model city with some common critical infrastructure such as power generation and transmission, healthcare and transportation. The various infrastructures are controlled by a set of programmable logic controllers or PLCs. So these can be visualized or considered as switches that can be programmed by a set of computers. So these PLCs are interfaced with the computer through an operational technology or OT switch here. These PLCs and OT switch are controlled by a set of computers through a panel which is commonly known as human machine interface or HMI in short. This infrastructure keeps the civilization moving while we use computers to remotely observe and control them using an HMI. Imagine this situation one day. One day, an employee of a power utility company receives an email that says that his bonus and updated salary statement is available in an attached Word file. In order to see the contents of the Word document clearly, he must enable a macro. He obliges and nothing happens at that moment. He thinks that the file must be corrupted and forgets about it completely. However, something else happens under his nose. You can see the background process here in the computer. Be aware that in order to demonstrate the attack, this process is shown in the foreground. The adversary has achieved some sort of a backdoor access to the power utility through a very simple Word document. The adversary now moves laterally from the employee's computer to the computer that has the HMI. He performs a scan and detects that there is a PLC controlling a very crucial operation of circuit breakers. There is a vulnerability of the PLC that is known to the attacker and he obliges to exploit it. Let's see what happens. As we can see, the platform has lost power and we have our own mini blackout. An attack of this nature in real life can result in wide blackouts that can cause billions of dollars of losses. And more importantly, it can result in loss of life in healthcare institutions. So let's analyze what has gone wrong here. The employee received an innocent looking email that compelled him to load the document. The macro that he clicked to see the contents of the Word document was a malware that had taken refuge in his computer and eventually gained access to the network of the utility. Once the backdoor entry was achieved, the adversary took his own time to move across the network and gain access to the crucial HMI computers. The moral of the story is that cybersecurity is a collective effort as systems and industries are large and complex in today's time. You can easily see that if the employee had basic awareness of cybersecurity and had he resisted the urge to click on an unknown or unverified email or documents, a tragedy of this magnitude could have been easily averted. So, just like in the case of diseases, prevention is an important aspect of cybersecurity. Hence, CSA Singapore has mandated the need for cybersecurity training for professionals from all walks of life.